went over basically everything that we did online for, how do you say it, AIARE? AIARE 1?
Prepare.
Yeah.
Read
Talked
terrain,
a lot about avalanches and how to read it, how to plan your trip, and really all this cool stuff. A lot of online resources that we're going to go home and start to nerd out on here pretty soon. But we are driving up on this beautiful sunny day, and we'll see you on the other side. Flag here and a flag here, so it looks like we're fanned out. So I'm just going to go straight for now.
Okay.
I'm going to put it onto search mode all the way up. Lock that in. And I don't have a signal yet. So I'm
okay.
moving forward. I'm going to unstrap. I'm going to get low to the ground, taking it with me. 5.2, 4.5. There we go, 0.5. I'm gonna mark that spot. I'm gonna leave this on. Taking the pack off.
Got it.
Got it.
Good job.
So yesterday we did about half a day of classroom work. We reviewed kind of all of our online work, and then we actually went out to the field. We practiced Avalanche Rescue, which was actually really fun. Learned quite a bit. So much information. What would you say like was the biggest takeaway from yesterday?
To keep your skills sharp, practice often, and hope you never use them.
Exactly. So you really don't have that much time to find someone, so you really need to be sharp, ready, and you know, praying hopefully that never happens to anyone.
So we're all ready to go. We're gonna reconvene here in just a second.
I can measure the slope right here at my feet. I don't want to put this directly on the snow because all these little bumps and grooves will, you know, kind of affect the reading. So one thing I can do is put my ski pole down and just sort of even out those little micro features. And then I'm going to put the device right on my pole.
Can we guess?
Yeah, you can guess.
I bet it's like 35.
32.
Here, 32, 35.
30, some 30, low 30s.
I was getting about 28 degrees right here.
Wow.
So I'm going to come in from below my sight, do a couple probe sticks, look for uniform depth, see if I feel any trees. Next I'm going to outline where I dig just to help kind of organize my spot for my pit. And that's where I'm going to dig. Right here the snowpack is about 170 centimeters deep. Do you think I should go all the way to the ground?
No.
How deep should I go? Maybe 1 meter, about 3 feet. You know, those are the layers we're mostly interested in as skiers and boarders. That's where we're affecting down in the snowpack. So maybe I'll go to 1 meter and then a little past that just so I can get that cleared out.
Cleaning up, finding the layers.
Get a little bit more detailed with that now. Here's where I'm not going to touch this wall. I'm going to use the side wall. And I want to start exploring the layers right now. The first thing that I'm going to start exploring for here is I want to see if there is weak snow in the snowpack. What the slab avalanche loves to have is it loves to have something strong sitting on top of something weak with something strong underneath. So as I dig in and as I start exploring, I want to see if any of these layers in here, feel weak to me. So as I start exploring, the very first thing I'm gonna do is with a gloved hand and a little bit of knuckle pressure, I wanna brush the wall and see if I can feel for weakness here.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
And now saw?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, saw and then fist. Forefinger, one finger, pencil.
Right? It's like harder.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Wow. It's gonna be beat to shit.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, right.
Okay, what a day.
Day 2.
So, dude, we found out knows how to get into zippers.
Yep.
He had 2 peanut butter and jelly sandwiches,
Wait.
2 vegan cookies,
Yeah.
2 Reese's Pieces cups. He had half a bag of mushroom jerky.
And this is when we went into the lodge to talk about like our plan for the day, and
What's
we come
wrong
back
with you?
and all of our lunch, food, everything is gone.
Yep. So
We had people who were very nice and gave us some snacks, but even then, we ate some of them for lunchtime, and then when we came back, put our bags back in the truck, debriefed with the team, food gone again.
yep.
So, fool me once, shame on you.
Fool me twice.
Twice, shame on me.
So now we know.
Now we know.
Today overall was awesome. We went on the back side of the cone, little kind of back/side country. Went up some pretty steep terrain. Came down the cone. We learned a lot. Looked at different levels, snow levels in the terrain. Yeah, it was fun. Weather was nice.
Yeah, it was beautiful. It was fun.
Tomorrow we're actually going backcountry to this place called Bald Butte. And yeah, we'll find some lines and set it up, and it should be a good time.